deal because you don't have to fill out or mail or wait for anything. We give you the money instantly. You see, the window manufacturer allows us to fill out the forms. We then give you the money right there on the spot, and we get reimbursed later. All you have to do is buy 8 or more windows, and you get the huge $2,200 rebate on the spot. We can only advance the $2,200 rebate to the first 20 customers. So call Restaurant right now at 508-233-3000. Find us online at triplepain.com. Our number is 508-233-3000 or online at triplepain.com.
Well, if you own a timeshare, chances are pretty good here in 2021 that you're ready to get out of it. You probably weren't using it the whole time in the first place, and with COVID, well, that probably drove that number of uses down to 0. Here's the thing, there are quite a few businesses out there that will claim they can get you out of a timeshare, but most of them don't, because most of them don't have a team of attorneys and paralegals whose only job is to get you out legally. This is a group of attorneys. That's it. You know who has that group of attorneys? Timeshare Termination Team. They're ready to step to the plate and help you. Just call 888-GET-YOU-OUT. 888-GET-YOU-OUT. Call Timeshare Termination Team today. Get the process started. Don't keep putting it off and get stuck with another year's of timeshare that you're not going to use. You'll get 20% off when you terminate your timeshare. 20%. So make sure you tell them that Glenn Beck sent you. It's 1-888-GET-YOU-OUT. 1-888-GET-YOU-OUT. Or visit them online at timeshareterminationteam.com. News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. It's the kind of stuff that'll keep you up at night. I've had it done 3 times. Coast to coast AM overnight. There's one on News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM. Spy.